Hey YouTube, it's your girl Rocky Dimples back with another video, and today's video is going to be a day in the life of an entrepreneur. So today I will be going shopping for my one-on-one class, which is this Sunday the 15th. I'm also gonna be talking with, basically she's like a mentor to me. I'm basically gonna be helping her with her Instagram page and business and just making it look nice and professional and pretty. And I'm also gonna be cooking today as well, and just doing some editing that I've been procrastinating really bad. So I'm excited to be filming this video. I'm at Dunkin' right now, and I'm about to get some donuts for, you know, my mentor and also a friend that I met through her. I'm just gonna get some donuts. I know it's 2 o'clock, but whatever, and I need a coffee. So we'll be vlogging all today, showing you guys basically a day in the life with me, entrepreneur Rocky, the one that gets that bag. I don't make excuses. Anyway, let me stop, but bye. Okay. Thank you. Could I get a straw? Thank you. She closed that door so quick. Damn. I know I want this shit a little bit sugary, but damn, but I'm just drinking sugar. Anyways, yeah, I just got the coffee, and like it's diabetes. It's diabetes. I told her I want a little bit of extra cream and sugar, just so it's like, you know, not bitter, because, you know, they can tend to do that sometimes. And no, she clearly said straight sugar. This is just sugar. But anyways, I'm gonna show y'all the donuts. She did not get my order right. They're supposed to be sprinkled. And she told me they didn't have glazed blue. Yo, she should. You know what? I'm calling customer service. That's ridiculous. I literally ordered 2 strawberry frosted, 2 vanilla frosted, 5 glazed, 2 sugared, 2 Boston cream, and 1 double chocolate. Do that look? She's so lucky I'm hungry, because I'm about to eat one. Like, and I'm gonna call the store too. I don't even feel like driving back, because how you not get that right? Like, literally. How you not get that right, babes? Bye, y'all. Like, she just... Whatever, I'll just eat it. Y'all, this is Miss Tansy. Say hello.
Hi.
I'm at her shop right now. Let me show y'all.
Yes.
I know at night you don't want to be in it. Hey, y'all.
Thank you for coming to get this marketing together. Now we're about to handle this business. Thanks.
You're welcome. I'm in the car now and I'm on my way to go shopping for the one-on-one class. I was trying to calculate everything. It looks like I may go a little bit off budget, but most likely she's just gonna be using my products, because if I was to go and like try to get like a starter kit, I would have to really up the price for the class, because then I wouldn't be really making a profit off of that. But anyways, that's not for y'all to know. Anyways, whatever. Anyways, I'm on my way to Ulta right now. I think I just want to get everything in one place, like, unless it's like something certain that I want from a specific brand, and I'll get it somewhere else. But most likely it is going to be Ulta that I'm going to be shopping at for like a little starter kit for her to like have some essentials, some good essentials, you know, to start her, you know, makeup journey and things like that. So I'm going to be taking y'all with me. I just left Tansy's, you know, salon. I hope you guys enjoyed meeting her. I literally love her. She's like a great mentor to me. It's gonna be a great year, you guys. Like, we have so much in store. I have so much in store for myself. Like, I'm being so positive this year. Like, I'm not letting no negative thoughts get to me. Like, I'm really trying to have a different outcome. I had a great year last year, don't get me wrong. I had a lot of ups and downs, but this year is gonna be 10 times better. Like, I feel it. But anyways, I'll talk to y'all when I get to Ulta. Alright, I just walked out of Ulta. Like I said, I was gonna get everything, and y'all, I went basically double off budget. But I don't know. I know, like, it's just like I felt like she needed everything that I got, and I didn't even get everything in my like basket. So like, I don't know. I sell lashes, so obviously I'm not gonna buy lashes. I do sell lip gloss, but that's for me to like make a profit off of. So I just got like a, I don't even know if I got the NYX one, but I'm gonna just show y'all what I got. Obviously I had to get her the Real Technique brush to start off with, and it also comes with the beauty blender, so this is a great thing to get. I got her a face primer because you need a primer. I got her a blush. I could not find a good like blush. I wanted the Juvia's Place one. Actually, I wanted the Juvia's Place like palette. I basically use it for blush and contour, but they were sold out. So I got this, and got her a mascara from L'Oreal. This is a good one. Her a eyeliner from NYX. They have really good beginner eyeliners. A little eyeshadow palette that she could also use for like bronzing and adding warmth to her face. So she gets that. She got a lot of stuff. She got a setting spray to set her face, a lip pencil, and also a eyebrow pencil, and that was all she wrote. So I honestly think she got some good stuff. I'm gonna make this all cute and nice and like a little bag for her and stuff, but definitely went off budget. Probably if I wouldn't have got those two palettes, I probably would have went a little bit off budget, but still been within that mark. So right now I'm about to just go pick up the rest of my packages, my pickup orders that I placed today, and then I'm gonna have to buy something at probably, I don't know, I'm gonna see if I can buy that at Walgreens or somewhere. I just need some heavy whipping cream and like some tomato paste, and I think I have everything else to make pasta really, so I'll keep y'all updated. My camera's about to die, and I'm waiting on my Office Depot curbside pickup order right now. So they're coming with my stuff right now.
You have a good one.
You too, thank you. Just got my Publix order so I can make my pasta, and I'm on the way home. Talk to y'all later. We filmed everything that I wanted to film. I already showed you guys what I got for the one-on-one. So if anything, after I charge my camera, I'll just like record me putting it together, and I'll add that somewhere in there. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe right now. You don't want to miss anything that I upload. It's gonna be mad lit. Like, we're going dummy this year. Like, I'm not playing around at all. Like, I'm really gonna get on my shit, and you guys are gonna see that, and I hope that you guys are appreciating my consistency. I'm really trying to give you guys really good content and quality content all 2023. Please like this video, click that bell button. Thank you so much. And if you want to book a one-on-one and you're in the Orlando area, follow my makeup page, Glam by Rocky. I'll leave it in the description box down below. If you want to purchase some lashes or lip gloss, you can do that at Rich Gal Collection on Instagram. Thank y'all. I love y'all. Okay, you guys, I just finished cooking salmon and imitation crab pasta with Texas toast. Here's my roommates. Gonna have some Taylor port with it. I had a little bit of juice in here just to level it out. But if y'all want the recipe, let a bitch know. Let a bitch know. Kitchen is basically clean. Just gotta tidy up. I hope you guys enjoyed the day in the life of an entrepreneur. And I'll see y'all in the next video.